Hello students, in my last video I have explained Unit 2 Roman numerals. In that I have explained about what is Hindu-Arabic number system, what is its origin and what numbers we are using in it. Then we have learned about what is Roman numerals, what is the basic symbols in Roman numerals, and what are the values according to Hindu-Arabic numerals in Roman numerals. Now, today we will learn about the basic rules to form Roman numerals. So, students, the Roman numerals are formed by using the addition and subtraction principle. These numerals are basically formed by this addition and subtraction principle. These numbers are formed by this addition and subtraction method. They are forming number, whether it is larger or smaller one. According to these principles, in Roman number system, numbers are forming. So how we are adding or subtracting these symbols? There are some rules for adding and subtracting of the symbols in the Roman number system. So let us see rules, or we can say the principles of writing numbers using 7 letters in Roman number system. So see carefully students, the first rule is the numerals. The numerals means we can say the symbols, because there are 7 symbols, no? So the symbols I, X, C and M. These 4 symbols, remember students, these 4 symbols I, X, C and M. Which values according to Hindu-Arabic? I stands for 1, X stands for 10, C stands for 100 and M stands for 1000. Okay. Can be repeated. Can be repeated for addition. Means they can be repeated for addition. But for how many times? Up to 3 times only. These symbols I, X, C, M, which values 1, 10, 100 and 1000 can be repeated in Roman number system up to 3 times only, not more than 3 times. Remember it? For example, suppose 2 times I is there. So 2 times I means 1 plus 1, which comes 2. If it is 3 times, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. But we cannot write it at 4 times, because the rule is saying that we can repeat it up to 3 times only. We cannot repeat more than 3 times. Similarly, XX we can write 2 times. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. We can write 3 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. If we have write to C 2 times, 100 plus 100, 200. If we are writing 3 times C, so 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. Similarly, see the example for M. If we are writing M 2 times, so 1000 plus 1000 comes 2000. And if we are writing M 3 times, so it is 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 3000. But we cannot write 4 times M or 4 times C or 4 times X or 4 times I. So these numbers can be repeated only for 3 times. Now see the next rule. Symbols V, L, D. Now 4 symbol we have already used, I, X, C, M. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many symbols are left? There are 7 symbols, 4 are already used. So how many left? 3. 1, 2, 3. V, L, D. So this rule says, symbols V, L, D are not repeated. We cannot repeat these symbols. For example, if we have to write 55, so we cannot write like this way. This is wrong. This is not the correct way of writing the symbols. We cannot repeat this V symbol. We can write this symbol only once. So this is wrong. Similarly, if we have to write 100, so we cannot write LL, means 50 comes 100. No, it is wrong. We cannot repeat. Why it is wrong? Because the rule is saying that L is not repeated. We cannot repeat it. You have to write only once. Similarly, D also. If you have to write 1000, so you cannot write DD. This is wrong, because it is not repeated. You have to write only once. So students, these are the symbols V, L, D which we cannot repeat. You can remember this like this way. V stands for 5, L stands for 50 and D stands for 500. 5, 50, 500. First it is 5, then it comes 10, 50, then it comes 100, 500. These symbols are never repeated. You have to write only once.